Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro versus Oppo F5 Speed Test. Redmi Note 5 Pro has a dual camera at the back. The both phones have 4GB of RAM. Let's see which one is faster. So yeah, let's get started. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is 14 seconds faster than the Oppo F5 in speed test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.